Good day, everyone, especially to you, Sir Australia. I am John Mark Sangars Musong from BS Ed English 2, 20 years old from Kanawa, Kandihay, Bohol. Something that is interesting about myself is that I am not a singer, but I know how to compose or make an original song with the help of my singer friends. Actually, I've already made my first ever original song entitled Tarana, sung by my friends Aljane and Abigail. And then, talking about mathematics, well, to be honest, I am not good or excellent at it, but I don't hate it either. I believe that anything can be learned as long as you know the concepts and you know the formula, then you can solve mathematics problems. And I find mathematics or math as an interesting subject. And hopefully, I can survive this semester together with my classmates. And yeah, I think that would be all. And thank you so much for listening.